What is up? Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. It's been a chaotic morning. I've been up since 7:30 this morning because we were supposed to have, or we did have, the people that are coming to fix the Wi-Fi come to our apartment between 8 and 10 p.m. 8 and 10 p.m. Am I okay? It's clearly because I just woke up way too early this morning. 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. So I woke up at 7:30 to make sure that I was awake just in case they came right at 8. They ended up coming at 9, which is totally fine. So I sat on the couch this morning, watched YouTube, had coffee. We had the person come here. It turns out, like I predicted, not an issue with our unit. It's an issue with the building in general. And I tried to explain that to them on the phone, but they did not listen to me. So I kind of feel bad that that guy had to come all the way out here just for him to realize that it was already being fixed by his other coworkers in the building. But honestly, that's a communication issue on their side. That is their own problem. Did that, and then I've been spending the morning doing schoolwork. I didn't do any of it yesterday like I said I was going to. So I've spent the morning doing a good chunk of it. I have a lot left to do. I have to like basically put together an entire presentation and all of the speaking points that I want to make in the presentation. This final project that I have to do to graduate is essentially making my own TED Talk, and it's supposed to be 12 to 15 minutes long, and I just am not entirely sure how I'm gonna be able to talk about something for 12 to 15 minutes. I say that as I'm talking to a camera on YouTube, so I don't know. I feel like I can talk to you guys on YouTube and social media, but when it comes to having to like record videos for school, my mind just goes blank and I just forget how to like even operate a camera. So that's where we're at. I look rough, but I want to go to the gym and then take a shower. I only have one meeting today and it's at 1 p.m. and it's 10:48 now. So work is very chill this Friday, which I'm really appreciative of because that means that I can knock off schoolwork and kind of get my life together. But I just wanted to say good morning, welcome back. If you're new, make sure to subscribe down below. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Crazy. I decided to just take a shower instead of going to the gym. I messed up my knee last night. I think I did it while I was sleeping. Either that or it was like a late reaction from solid core, and it like literally hurts to walk around on it. So I decided going to the gym probably was not the best idea. I just took a shower instead. I have a meeting in 30 minutes, and like I said, it's my only meeting for the day, so I'm very appreciative for that. That is kind of the current little update. I feel like this is kind of a very boring work day. Nothing really crazy is going on, but I think we're gonna go do some fun stuff tonight. We're gonna get a Christmas tree for sure tonight because it's now the 2nd of December and we don't have a Christmas tree up, and that makes me very sad. So we're gonna get a Christmas tree tonight for sure, and then I think we're gonna probably either go out to dinner or make dinner here. I haven't really decided yet. So we have some fun things coming later, but for now, literally 9 to 5 is just gonna be me in front of a computer for the majority of the day. That looks crazy. Worked the way that it was supposed to, because I feel like I maybe pulled out the curlers incorrectly, but it was kind of pulling out my hair because they're like Velcro rollers, so when you pull it out, I think it kind of pulls out your hair with it. But I did get some volume, like it feels good, and I like the way that the bottom of my hair looks. It's just the top, so I wonder if I could like touch up the top pieces with like my actual curling iron. But I like the way the bottom looks. My hair feels like very voluptuous, which I know is the point, but I was trying to get these front pieces to be super curly. And it didn't really turn out that way. So I think I'm gonna take the curling iron, some of these pieces, Overall, I feel like it was a semi-success. Okay, same spot, but it's a little while later. We're actually getting ready to go pick out a Christmas tree. I'm very excited. We're gonna go over to Hoboken instead of going into Manhattan because we can take the light rail over to Hoboken and then bring it back, and then we're gonna do dinner and stuff, but we need to get this tree checked off the list. That is like the one bad part about Jersey, I guess, during winter that we didn't realize, is that there's literally no Christmas tree farms over here. There's one, and it literally has 2.5 stars on Google and like the worst reviews. So we're not going there because we just want to save ourselves from having a bad Christmas tree experience. So we either had to go to Manhattan or we have to go to Hoboken. So we decided that Hoboken was probably a safe bet. They have like a little Christmas tree farm over there, assuming it hasn't been picked over. We're now the second day into December, and I feel like most people picked out their Christmas tree either like the day after Thanksgiving or yesterday on December 1st. So hopefully they still have some of the good trees left. We shall see. Getting it back here is going to be a whole thing in and of itself too, because we're going to have to bring it on the train. But I'm just excited to finally get a Christmas tree. So I'm going to, of course, bring you guys along with me. But I need to bundle up. It's like 42 degrees outside. So hat, gloves, jacket, the whole 9 yards.